solution for high-efficiency stamping. Roll surface with hard chromium plating enhances friction, ensuring slip-free operation and superior feeding precision. It features an electronic automatic oiling set that coats materials evenly, effectively protecting molds and prolonging their service life. Powered by Japanese servo systems and premium components, it comes with a large touchscreen, parameter memory, and a complete fault alarm system. Designed for medium steel plates, with wider coil width and higher yield strength, it delivers longer service life, higher efficiency, and greater safety. If customers have special specifications, we can customize according to the requirements.